Welcome back. Look what we have back in the garage finally. In all of its glory. Here's the door I'm going to be putting on this side. Got a matching door for the other side with the big massive tow mirrors. We try to be like them Dodge people with them fold out mirrors driving around without a trailer. So, yeah, I think it's going to look good on there.
And the window is good.
Yeah. It might be a little far, but I can pull these two extensions out and bring this in.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Might hit that crossbar. I don't know. Can't tell.
Yeah, maybe. We'll see. We'll see what has to happen. But I'm going to show you how not to hang a door because it's not fun. But
you know you have your cheaters on your head.
Yeah, just in case I got to see something close.
Okay. Just checking.
Yeah.
Don't break them.
We got 3 other pairs. And no, I think these are your cheaters. Mine are in the house.
Mine are in the house.
No, mine are the pink ones.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay, so don't break my cheaters.
Ugh. These things are heavy. Especially when you're a one-man show all the time.
Yeah.
The goal is not to drop the hardware inside the door because
Oh, yeah.
then you gotta fish it out. And it does work easier if you put a jack underneath it.
Oh, that makes sense. But you decided not to do that.
I'm stubborn.
Right. Do you need a new battery?
No, it's
Oh.
perfectly charged. I'm just going slow so it doesn't make so much noise.
Oh.
It's already looking better.
How do you know if it's lined up correctly, though?
I don't.
Oh. You just
I won't know
it
till I close it with me inside, and then I can wiggle it, and then, you know, tighten them up from in there.
Right.
Adjust it. You might have to help with adjusting it on the outside.
Okay.
And yeah, the door had some snow on it. So did the truck. So now I'm dust proofing the garage.
Yeah.
Look at my Crocs are waterproof, right?
Right. For sure.
So the goal is to get it relatively close, but you know, this being off a different truck, the marks aren't going to be in the same spot from the old hardware. Yeah, like it's already, I can already tell it's too close in. This little guy's pretty noisy.
Yeah, it is. Better.
Still tight.
Yeah. Anyway, we can see what we can see. Just the fender he's working on. Box looks pretty good. We can see the other side. That's the completed one. I know it's not a great angle. It's pretty close to the wall of the garage. And that's our pinstriping effort spender. Fun thing to do. Well, that's better. Oh, look at that. It closes.
Yeah, it's a little tight up here, but I'll be able to adjust that out. And I think it's got to go up a little bit because this gap is, it's got a pretty good gap there.
Oh,
but
okay.
with me being inside, I'll be able to adjust a little better.
Okay.
Yeah, it's decent down here, but yeah, here it's open. And it's, I might have to adjust the striker because it's in a little bit tight. Yeah.
So up and back?
Yeah. I had a pry bar earlier.
Well, there's your carpenter one right over there.
Is that where I said it?
Yeah.
Because you might have to run it from the outside. And don't
Okay.
worry about scratching this. If you get the seams lined up close enough. So yeah, I'll just hop in, loosen them up, and you can play around with it.
All right, so we'll be back.
Yeah, we'll be back. So guess what I did?
Dropped a socket.
Dropped a socket in the door. Still has the paper in there. I've never seen one with the paper on it still.
Wow. It's impressive.
Yeah.
Convenient that they make that easy access panel.
Yeah.
There's the shop lion. Sally! What you doing? Come here, Sal. Sally.
It'd make it easier if I can get that out. But...
No, listen to me. Sally, come get this socket. Come here.
And the door latch-a-rooney broke.
Yeah. Gonna have to replace that.
Yeah. So that's part of the reason why I pulled this off. I'm going to pop that out quick. And... there isn't too much crud in the bottom of this door.
Oh, it's not that bad.
No. I've seen worse.
Mm-hmm.
I've never changed one of these, so... gonna need my big Phillips.
Oh, I don't know where that is.
I was using it on your 64.
Did you get the socket?
No, I couldn't reach it. It's like right around the corner.
Oh, yeah. It is.
I was thinking about grabbing the magnet. And...
yeah, you might have to. I don't know where Sally went.
she's over here. She's hiding. She's camera shy.
No, she's not.
Yeah, she is. That's why she's hiding. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find that thing.
All right. We'll be back.
I kind of think this one does something too. Ugh.
There's Sally. Hi, Sally. You sure there's no mice in here? Good kitty.
It's got a brace that goes all the way across it. Hey, cat. Ooh. Phone is laying on the side of the road. Pretty snazzy, huh? Recharges itself. It's got a compass, a little siren on there.
Mm-hmm.
Why does it have a bar that goes all the way across? So what, I gotta pull that off too? Those two hooked together? Yeah. I guess. You don't know what you're doing, keep doing it till you figure it out, right?
Yep.
Like Whiskey Dad says, dreams don't work unless you do.
Makes sense.
So it must be just one solid piece.
Right. Holding all those things.
Wrong, Phillips. Oh, wait, that was a positive I just had. Or negative. There's the positive. I have a feeling this has been out before. Luckily I got that parts truck. That should have good stuff in it. Hopefully. I guess you gotta take the window out first before you can get that out. Let's make it simple. So that's hitting there. Pop the door lock. That cover off. Maybe. This door's gonna be junk by the time I get it done.
There we go.
Wally, or voila, 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 voila.
Voila.
So I'm assuming this is what locks the hammer in. It goes in like that.
Oh. Maybe you should put
I
some...
think it just needs some lube, honestly.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah, it looks like it's in good shape, but that
Yeah.
piece is definitely not.
So next time, before you spend all the time taking these apart,
Just lube them.
just throw some lube at it.
Hey, this is how you learn.
Yeah. Now I learned how to take this locking mechanism out.
Right.
But then I gotta relearn how to put it back in.
Yep. You have something over there by
There it
your...
is. My peanut butter blaster.
Yeah.
Hopefully I can get the door to work again.
Well, it wasn't working before you started, so...
Yeah, that's...
Whoops.
Oops is right. Apparently they unhook. Huh.
Who knew?
Well, that would have saved me a bunch of time. Yeah, that's still not sliding in and out. Oh, this guy might be junk. It works that way.
I think you just gotta let the lube sit for a while.
I might have to.
This thing.
Because, yeah, this isn't retracting like it's supposed to. Unless it just goes up. But
It's not going anywhere.
because that opens. Well, now it kind of strikes. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of
Don't do what I do.
unnecessary things to try to fix the problem.
At least you're trying to fix a problem.
Yeah. Huh. It's no fun not having a door that doesn't shut.
Yeah.
Now there we go. Yeah, it's just stiff. So there, now it locks in the full position.
Okay.
And this is open because this hits the thumb button. So that opens it, and this one hits the other one, which was stiff. So it wasn't an issue. It was latching until I pulled the inner door handle.
Yep.
So yeah, I guess I'll just free this up and stick it back in, or go pull another one. I guess it doesn't really matter.
Well, you'd have to do that all over again if you want to pull another one.
Yeah, well, I'm good at it now.
I wouldn't go that far.
Yeah, I'll let this lube do its thing. Maybe we'll save this guy.
I think we should.
I think we should try to save it anyway.
Yeah.
So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. We've been super busy this week, so getting stuff done on this. I need it done by March 20th.
Mm-hmm.
Because we got to drop it off the 21st at the car show in Duluth.
Yep.
So, the 55th annual car show, and I've been to 54 of them. No, not really. So. All right, well, thanks, everybody. Dumpster find here. See that big, beautiful orange thing?
Mm-hmm. Hard to miss it.
Visor off a Sterling, also known as a Ford dump truck. My plan is to delete some of the middle of this thing and re-fiberglass it together, hopefully, and attach it to this guy. Because you can't have a mini semi-looking truckish thingy and not have a visor on it,
Right.
right?
Yeah.
And it was free, and it must have blew off or something because it's busted there, but I'm cutting that out. So after I cut it up, I'm gonna sand a bunch of it down, get it as thin as I can, and then rebuild it back up with fiberglass. I hope. I've never worked with fiberglass before.
Oh.
Yeah, so I should probably snag some rubber gloves because that stuff, it's like you end up with hair all over your hands and
Kitty hair?
whatever fiberglass is.
Oh, fiberglass hair.
So
It's little shards of glass.
fiberglass, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I should probably grab my cutoff wheel, cut it with that.
And safety. PPE. Just in case.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out where I want to cut it since it's busted right here.
Mm-hmm.
I was hoping to cut it right next to it. And then, I don't know if I want to stagger my cuts though. I have a cut here and then a cut farther out. So there's not a seam. Like, it'll be stronger if it's staggered like that.
Oh. Kind of like
assume.
roofing tiles.
Yeah, shingles.
Yeah.
But
Or
fiberglass
roofing
is
tiles.
pretty strong. So, I've never roofed a house with tiles.
I have.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and they overlap like that.
Yeah, I'm sure you've roofed lots of houses.
No, only a couple.
Yeah, I've seen you on roofs before.
Yes. And those nice, 412 pitches I'm really great on.
Yeah, more like a 12-12 or a 0-12 pitch.
I'm okay on a 412.
I'm okay with a 410.
It's not even a pitch.
Shotgun.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna round up my grinder, cutoff wheel, respirator.
Yep.
'Cause
Right.
I'm sure it's not good for you.
All right. We'll be back.
Hey, you.
It's a lot of dust.
Yeah.
Maybe you should take it outside for the next cut.
I don't have my hearing protection on. You don't have to yell at me.
Oh, sorry.
I might try it with the Sawzall on the next cut. That's not going to look too bad on there if I can make it look like that all the way across, huh?
Right.
Might have to come down a little bit so it's got more of a visor rake to it. Yeah. I don't think I ever want to cut fiberglass again.
That's kind of awful.
It is awful.
It stinks.
But I'm going to cut this side.
Okay.
What's nice about fiberglass is you cut it a little long and you can sand it and it makes it really easy.
Alright.
So yeah, I'll burn through this one if you want to hold
Open
the door
the door.
open. Maybe some of the stink will go out with it.
Okay. I remembered to take the, this little cover off.
The lens cap?
Yep. I was like, what's wrong with the camera? It's all black.
I got it cut. And
I'm not very smart.
It's really close. Yeah, you are very smart.
It is very close.
It smells so bad cutting it in here. I'm gonna mess with this tomorrow after work a little bit.
Outside.
Outside, because I don't need to get that fiberglass poisoning. I heard it's like second in killing people.
Is it?
No, I don't know.
But it is pretty bad in here.
Yeah. And this was built in the 90s, so it's probably got some asbestos in it. Mm-hmm. I was going to carry it over there and hold it up, but I don't think it'll make it.
Yeah. I think they can just wait and see.
Yeah. A little more fit and finish, and yeah, I'm just going to... I'll probably start back here and sand it as thin as I can, and then seam it together.
Okay.
And then on the inside, since you don't really see it as much, I'll probably put thicker on the inside.
To make it stronger.
Yeah.
Got you.
There's a shop panther in here.
Yep.
Here he comes. Here he comes.
Diablo knows his call. There he is.
Come here, dude. Come say hi to everybody before we go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. He doesn't like being spanked. Yeah. He's moody. Alright. We're going to call it a night. We're going to practice pinstriping again tonight. We think we figured out why we're having issues the other night is because we didn't have it warm enough in here.
Yeah.
So I'm going to close up the doors and throw a couple pieces on this old fire and get it at least above 55 in here. Because
Right.
it says between 55 and 500 degrees. So if you want to pinstripe on the sun, you can do it.
Right.
So yeah, I'm going to call it. See everybody next Thursday. Thanks for tuning in. Say bye, Diablo. Yeah, he said bye. All right. See you later.